Hi, this is John with Macarbon, and today we're going to talk about one of the most important products you can have for the enjoyment of your SL, and that is a wind deflector. How often have you been out driving and your passengers complaining about being buffeted and hair going everywhere and just a general noise and just discomfort? So main thing, the wind deflector eliminates all that, and it's really easy to install and is not that expensive. Macarbon is a dealer for Aparta wind deflectors made in the Netherlands, and we're going to show you how to install them today. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and cover the first time installation of the Aparta wind blocker. So first step you're going to do is release the tonneau cover. And what happens is the wind blocker will sit on this metal tub that surrounds the rear seats and luggage area. So first thing we've got is basically the hardware kit that comes with the wind blocker. So it's very easy. So you've got these 4 hooks that are going to screw on to the sides of the blocker. So the one thing you do have to do is it comes with a generic little pad here, and you have to add that in. It's basically 15 millimeters wide. You can see that we've pre-done this one here. So the hooks will attach to the blocker, and let's get to that. So what we'll do is bring our blocker from here, setting that there carefully for the moment. What you'll do is take the tab, the washer, and the bolt, and tighten that in. Okay. And then the second one. And tighten that in. All right, we've already done the other side. Just again, hand tighten. Lift that back up. Put our tonneau. And then you just set that right into here. Adjusting that to the correct thing. Okay. Get it positioned evenly and tighten these guys down. Okay, you do that on both sides, and then these little tab cover, or the bolt covers here. Those in, put those on. Okay. And then just close your cover on both sides. Adjust the height. And you're done. Now you're all ready to drive out without any wind, without any turbulence, and you and your passenger will be nice and happy on your next SL cruise. Thank you again for watching this video. You can get the Aparta wind blocker on macarbon.com. It's available in multiple colors: blue, black, gray, everything to fit your SL. So once again, thank you for watching, and enjoy driving your SL.